On July 26th, Graylog announced their new beta version for 3.1. The link I will put it down below into the description. With this update, there are a couple of features which were previously available only in the enterprise version. Right now they are also available in the open source version, like some kind of extended search capabilities and new alerts and events. And as you can see here, it says that Graylog allows you right now to define events through conditions such as filters and aggregation, which form elements of alerts. So to test all of this, we will need to upgrade our Graylog system to the latest one. Let's check our documentation for this, because we have some kind of download links over here. So we can check the documentation. And here we see the operating system packages. We need to make sure that we have Java 8 or greater than Java 8, Elasticsearch minimum 5 or 6. Currently it doesn't support 7, as you can see it here. And Mongo database minimum 3.6 or later. And if you're using a Debian package, you can see the instructions over here on how to upgrade it. And in case you have RPM, you're using YAM or DNF or something like that, like I have in my case, you can use this one. This is for the installation, and this is the update to the latest version. So let's take this command right here, and we will copy it and paste it into our CLI. Before we actually upgrade Graylog, you will need to stop the Graylog service first. Let's check the status right now. Now we can actually start the upgrade process or the update process to the beta version. Okay, let's do a yam clean all right now. And now let's do the installation of Graylog. That's it. Right now, let's start the Graylog service. And check the status. Okay, it's running fine. Let's go to the web page. We are prompted for username and password, like usual. And right now we can see some small changes in here. You can see the input and output for the messages, and these icons are a little bit changed. It says over here that we are running 3.1 beta version, and we can already notice the new tabs in Graylog. One of it is called views, and the other one is called events. Now let's see what views and events they bring. So on views, we have two options. We can create a new one or load an existing one. Let's click on load on existing, and we don't have anything. Let's just click on create new. And over here it looks like some kind of extended search. Here we have some search details like the last 5 minutes, formatting, search terms, fields. So these are the search that we can actually use. Then we have the streams and the usual search. Here we should see some messages, but currently we are not getting those ones, and the message count. Let's see the events. And currently it looks like you cannot do too much with the events. Let's check the definitions. Nothing as well, notifications, nothing. Let's go back to the views and create one. We have some interesting things here. Let's pull this one. Oh, and something went wrong. And as you can see, there are some issues with Graylog 3.1 beta. Looks like you cannot use it too much. There are the state of it so far. Let's see when we will gonna have more updates, so we can dive deeper into the new features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and talk to you in the next one.